Hello everyone, Wade from High Tech Legion here, and this is going to be an overview and some benchmarks on the ASUS RT-N66U dual band wireless N router. This is an N900 router, so what that means is it can provide 450 megabits per second on each band concurrently, 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz frequency. Let's take a look at the actual product. So here we have the RT-N66U router itself. You can see that ASUS has put a diamond black pattern, almost like a carbon fiber pattern on here. And we've got indicators down here, blue LEDs for power, as well as the 4 Ethernet ports, the internet, the 2.4 gigahertz band, 5 gigahertz band, and the USB port. On the bottom of it, we've got some ventilation, as well as the ASUS sticker and serial number, and the firmware version is actually here that it ships with. You've got rubber feet here so that you can put it flat on a desk if you'd like. These right here also allow you to mount this to a wall or a desk, and they include a bracket to allow you to stand it up like this using those same holes. This is the bracket itself. Just pops into the back there so that you can stand up the router if you'd like. The back of the router has the 4 LAN gigabit ports. You've got a WPS button which can be changed to either enable WPS or shut the wireless radios off. Your WAN port, or the port that your internet cable will plug into, as well as a system reset button here. 2 multi-purpose USB 2.0 ports that can be used for a storage device, printer, or a 3G, 4G modem for backup internet. You've also got a power toggle here that when pushed in is on, when it's popped out it's off, and your AC port. The wireless antennas are external. There are 3 of them. They are adjustable completely and removable as well, so if you desire to put higher gain antennas on here, you can do that, though the antennas ASUS chooses are pretty good choice to get the optimal range out of this router without losing signal in the middle there. So these just screw on and off when they package. When you pull them out of the package, they are off, so you do have to attach them. Got your AC adapter with the tiny little plug that goes into the back of the router, as well as an RJ45 cable, CD with the user manual and some utility software on it, a warranty notice, and a quick start guide in multiple languages, also included in the package. Going back to the features on this router, you've got the concurrent 450 megabits per second on each band, the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz band. You've got the 2 multi-purpose USB ports, 8 SSIDs that can be used, the 2 main ones, as well as 3 guest networks for each the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz band. The full suite of encryption that goes from 64 and 128-bit WEP all the way up to WPA2 enterprise security. It does default to WPA2 PSK, which is the highest level of security that can be run on a consumer device without having special software, special servers and special software. You've got quality of service that can be run on it, as well as a DHCP server that is enabled by default, and also an additional set of security with a stateful packet inspection firewall that is run on the device. That can be shut off, of course, if you'd like to, though I would recommend that you don't do that, of course. And it also has denial of service protection that is disabled by default, but can be added if you are worried about getting hit with a lot of traffic and not having any internet access. Now I want to show you some benchmarks for the RT-N66U router, showing you the LAN speed tests for both the 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz bands in multiple locations with multiple adapters, as well as the USB storage tests and some power usage tests. I hope you enjoyed the video overview of the RT-N66U router from ASUS. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter pages, and check out the full review as well as others at www.hightechlegion.com.